Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you the different types of beautiful seabirds with their voice. So please, if you like our work, do like and subscribe to get next video shortly. Let's start our video. Mergini. The sea ducks Mergini are a tribe of the duck subfamily of birds. Grebe. Grebes are a nearly cosmopolitan clade of water birds, found on every continent except Antarctica. Grebes are most prevalent in the New World, with almost half of the world's species living in this part of the world. Skimmer. The skimmer is active throughout the day. It is largely crepuscular and even nocturnal. Its use of touch to catch fish lets it be successful in low light or darkness. Kittiwake. The kittiwakes are two closely related seabird species in the gull family Laridae. Razorbill. The razorbill is a medium-sized seabird. It is black above and white below. It has a thick black beak which is deep and blunt, unlike the thinner bill of the similar guillemot. Meower. This bird spends most of its time at sea, only coming to land to breed on rocky cliff shores or islands. Shearwater. Shearwaters are medium-sized, long-winged seabirds that were named for their hunting technique, which involves flying and gliding close to the surface of the sea, as they search for suitable prey. Tropic bird. Tropic birds are characterized by pairs of streaming central tail feathers, which may be as long as the bird's body. Gannet bird. Gannets are large white birds with yellowish heads, black-tipped wings and long bills. Frigate bird. Frigate birds are a family of seabirds called Frigatidae which are found across all tropical and subtropical oceans. Booby bird. The booby is a seabird that lives in the coastal regions of Central and South America. Tern. Ternsbods are seabirds in the family Laridae that have a worldwide distribution and are normally found near the sea, rivers, or wetlands. Terns are fast-flying coastal birds in the family Sternidae. Cormorant. Cormorants are a type of seabird known for their ability to dive deeply underwater to hunt for fish. They are excellent swimmers and can remain underwater for several minutes at a time. Gull. Gulls are long-winged seabirds. There are almost around the world, living in coastline areas, marshes, lakes, and rivers. Puffins. Puffins are small alcids in the bird genus Proteacola. These are pelagic seabirds that feed primarily by diving in the water. Penguins are flightless seabirds that live almost exclusively below the equator. Pelican. The pelican is a comically elegant bird with an oversized bill, sinuous neck, and big, dark body. Squadrons glide above the surf along southern and western coasts, rising and falling in a graceful echo of the waves. Albatross. An albatross is a large, magnificent seabird capable of soaring incredible distances without rest. Long viewed with superstitious awe by sailors, they spend most of their time gliding over the open ocean. That's all for today. In this video, how was the video? Please comment below. And please support us by clicking likes and subscribe the channel. So, see you soon in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.